Hey, here is another viewer requested video. The problem they have right now is that the car does not start. They said it happened by switching out the reverse light bulb. So this is the reverse light bulb right here. And they say they took this out. They got an LED bulb, put it inside, went and turned on the car to check if this works. And they noticed that both sides, the light doesn't work. Even the side that they didn't even touch. The problem why the car is not starting is because of a fuse. Now this reverse light bulb socket right here, the circuit, the fuse for this is inside. It's under here. Alright, the reverse light fuse is this one right here, the 7.5 meter fuse on slot number 5. That's the fuse that is connected to the reverse light. If this fuse blows, then your car will not start as well. And so this is the fuse that you need to swap out, which is the 7.5 fuse that is located. Alright, the 7.5 fuse is this one right here. This is the one that you have to check. There's spare fuses under the hood, so go ahead and pop your hood. Okay, there are spare fuses under this fuse box. There's your fuse puller, and there's your spare fuses. Put it inside the fuse. Pull it out. And insert a new one in here. By changing out this fuse that's down here on the fuse number slot 5, your lights will work again. And your car will be able to start again. And don't forget to go ahead and replace the spare fuse that you used. You never know when you're going to need another spare fuse. I haven't done so yet, it looks like. I must have forgot. So I'm going to go ahead and stop by my auto parts store and buy a fuse. And make sure you buy the correct fuse. There are many different ones. Easiest way to buy the correct fuse is go ahead and pull out one of your old fuses like so. And take it into the auto parts store and buy the exact same one. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful and you don't have to make a trip out to your dealership to get that fuse replaced. As always, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.